Hey everybody, back in the kitchen. So we have a haul today. So I'll start over here. I got a Krusty's pie crust. Let's see. This makes 4 crusts. And I get things like that just to help me not use up my flours quickly. I got a can of beef stew. I got a can of chicken Alfredo. I got some Nesquik. I got some pibil. This is pork. So, Mexican seasoned pork. I got some yellow squash. I got some gnocchi. I got this one because it's little balls. Gnocchi is shelf stable, and I have some recipes I've used it in Prepper Pantry meals. It's good as a dumpling substitute for your canned chicken. I did a beef recipe with it that was really yummy. So get you some gnocchi and put it on the shelf. It's a potato type of dumpling. I got a 6-pack of corn. I got some trumpet mushrooms. I got a thing of Lowry's. I got this on Amazon. It was like $5.50. And I got some taco seasoning. It was like $4.50. So you can't beat those deals. I got a spaghetti squash. I got an eggplant. I got some red hot honey garlic sauce. I got some Texas Pete. You want to have sauces in your pantry for all these things, the meats we have. I got some jalapeno cheddar sausages, smoked sausages. I got some hot links. I got some chicken. I think I'm going to make that tonight. I got roasted red pepper flatbread. These are good. I use them to make pizza for my husband. I got a whole grain and flaxseed flatbread. I got some naan. This is so good. It's so soft. I got some farfalle, some bow tie pasta. I got some Maui sweet onion kettle chips. I guess people are saying there's a chip shortage. We got plenty of chips here. I got some barbecue kettle chips. I will say barbecue chips are kind of hard to find. And I got a 2-pack of ketchup. You want to have all of your condiments, and then you can make all your sauces. Like if you have ketchup, relish, mayonnaise, mustard, and barbecue sauce. You can make your Chick-fil-A sauces. You can make your tartar sauces. You can make your hamburger sauces. You can make so many sauces if you just have your basic condiments. So that's my haul for today. I've got some canning I want to get done. I'm not going to video today's canning because you've seen me do hamburger and pork and all that stuff. So I want to add to my beef and pork stores. I have lots of chicken. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you all are doing well. The weather is absolutely beautiful. I think I'm working on a cold because the temperatures are changing. But yeah, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video.